These are the last days, weeks in this studio. My husband and I found a new home in the woods and we're really excited about it. It's been a dream of ours to live more in nature, and now we found a place which is actually in the woods, and it's amazing, and I can't believe we managed to do this. We still have to do quite a bit of renovations in our new house, so that's what we've been doing in the past weeks and we will be doing in the coming weeks, and maybe I will share some of it here on my channel. I'm not sure yet. This channel is of course really about fiber art and not really anything else, so I'm a little bit hesitant whether I should do it, but on the other hand I think I would really love to share more on the process of how we're going to make our house our dream house, and it's going to take years I think before we can finish everything. So I think I will take you along, or maybe I will make a new channel, so I'm a little bit hesitant about that. But for now, I'm still here in this house and I'm going to make a punch needle pillow. So I had this old pillow which I don't really love anymore, so I'm going to reuse the insert of this one and make a new design for it. So I'm now using my iPad with Procreate, which is an app in which you can draw designs, and so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying some things. As you just saw, I'm making something in very natural color palette, and I also just took the dimensions of the pillow. I'm just going to sketch it out for now, so I want to have round shapes, so not too straight, fluid lines, something like this, and maybe on this side, have a shape come in like that. So this is coming from 3 sides and this is just coming from this side, so kind of like the look of that. So I have 3 colors that are very neutral, and I've got the multicolored one just to add a little bit of interest. So I have to see if I can find something in this design, so I could like make a patch in the middle, but I don't really like that. So as you can see, I'm doing it, it's very sketchy, so it's not a finished pattern. Maybe I can do something like this and just add a little bit of interest here, this bit like that. So the colors are really all quite similar, so I'm going to make a difference in the textures. So this bit is going to be long and tufted, and then I think these 2 are also going to be longer loops than the one in the middle. And I think in the middle I'm going to do the white and then the 2 different neutral colors on the side. So it's the next day. I'm just going to take my things downstairs and sit down comfortably, make a little coffee, and then just start punching. Unfortunately, I just ran out of the warm ivory color that I was using, and I didn't finish my area yet. So I will have to order new ones, which I will do on tuftingshop.com, if I'm right. I think it's .com. And I really love their yarns. They are really beautiful New Zealand wool yarns, very sturdy, so very suitable for rugs, for example. And they have really nice colors. So if you're interested, I'll leave a link below that you can use. They are also really suitable for the tufting gun, you know, when you approach it a little bit differently than just a punch needle. Which I'm starting to get a little bit interested in. Maybe I want to try it out, but I will have to get all the supplies. So I think that would be something to do in the new house, as I don't want to get all this stuff and then I have to move everything. So let's see the kind of space we will get there. As you can see, we already have some boxes here and there with supplies for the renovations as well. So now I will start with the white color for the center of the piece, and I think I will go, as I said, with a lower setting. So I will make this part of the punch needle a little bit shorter, as I can adjust these needles, and so that the large areas will stick out a little bit more, and it will give a little bit of a different texture, which I like the look of. So let's do that right now. It's now a few days later and I've actually punched quite a bit now, and I just wanted to show you. So let me turn you around. So I'm now working with this Icelandic wool yarn, which I absolutely love very much. It's very beautiful quality, and yeah, I just love the colors they have. So I've punched almost the entirety of this area, so I just have to do this little strip, and then over here I'm going to do the colored strip the multicolored yarn strip that I told you about. And I've run out of this ivory yarn, so I still need some bits here and there, and this yarn should be coming in today, so I can continue with this bit. And then I forgot to order this color, so that's really great, because now I have to wait some more for that yarn to come. But overall, it's looking pretty good already. Of course, this is going to be the back of the pillow. The other side with the loops, which you can see right here, is going to be the front.
Oké, top, dankjewel. Is goed.
Right, I got the new yarn today, or no, yesterday evening, but so I got two colors. This one is actually not in my pillow. This one is in my pillow, but it looks very different. What's this? To check if I got the right one. That would be a bummer. And I also got this pair of scissors. It's a special kind with an angle and also a special blade here so that you can cut better. So I'm just going to see what I think about that, if I like it or not. From Cutting Edge. Let's just check this yarn because it looks so different. How's that possible? It was indeed the wrong color, but they sent me a new one and I could keep the old one, so that's okay. Just had to wait a little longer. Now I'm ready to finish this part. And I finished it. Looks pretty good. I just finished punching my pillow. So I got the right color here, and I also got the new white or ivory color. And unfortunately there is a bit of a color difference. I think it's very subtle on the camera, but you can see it in real life. But in the end I have some patches of this color here and there, and I think it doesn't bother me so much. I think when you look at it from this side, it kind of seems to blend in and seems kind of natural.